Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, for those who are new here, I am Mentor Choba, a political science instructor, and my goal here also is to guide students on their studies, especially for all the missed lessons that they had or the lessons that they did not understand from their classes. Okay, so if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Alright, so without further ado, let's start! Okay, so since we already discussed what is the meaning of a qualitative research, now we proceed in discussing what is a quantitative research. Okay, so do you have any idea? Please write them down on the comment section. Now, what is a quantitative research? Okay, so it says here that a quantitative research is an opposite of the qualitative research. Okay, if the qualitative research is more, it's focused on non-numerical data. In a quantitative research, they focus more on the numerical data. They focus more on numbers. Okay, let's say for example, measurements, okay, or statistics. They focus on measurements or statistics. So these statistic measurements are being used to investigate the question on the research: the what, where, who, and when. Okay, and also the result of this quantitative research are usually in a tabular form. So makikita mo sa mga research na naka-table lahat ng result, and that is usually being followed by students. Bachelor's thesis student. Okay? So, usually yan yung ginagawang research because that is one of the easiest type of research. Gagawa ka ng, survey ka, magpo-float ka ng survey questionnaire in order for you to see the pulse of the people. An example of a quantitative research is that let's say for example, you are a business owner. Okay, nagbebenta ka ng mga sasakyan. So you will try to compare the number of sales of the red sedan and the white sedan. You are comparing the two types of the sedan, the white and the red sedan. Okay. The result of that will identify or will help you identify kung ano ba ang mas naibebenta, yung white ba or yung red. Mas ma-identify mo dyan kung uh, ano ang ipo-purchase mo, ano ang mas ipo-produce mo, yung white ba or yung red. Okay, so that is also an example of a quantitative research. Okay, so I hope that you're able to understand again this simple tutorial. If you have any question, please write them down on the comment section, so I'll give you back a reply once I read your comments. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone.